welcome to the Hydro Garden TV channel. In this brief video we will look at VitaLink Fulvic. VitaLink Fulvic is a pure fulvic acid product. It improves the way plants transport and absorb nutrients. Through better nutrient availability, the flowering, rooting and growth of plants are boosted at every stage of the plant's life cycle. Fulvic can be used as a foliar spray or as a root drench by adding it to a nutrient tank. VitaLink Fulvic is available in 250ml, 1 litre and 5 litre bottles. For information on schedule times, dosage rates and other products, please visit our website, Facebook and Twitter social media pages. Thanks for watching, see you next time.